Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content is prepped for you, meaning visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. Now, first time around, it does give you the pop-up letting you know that you can also capture a screenshot by utilizing the shortcut of a 3-finger swipe down on the screen. I'm going to select I know. And now we just captured the screenshot by holding the buttons. I'm going to do that once more. This time around, it won't be showing up this pop-up, hopefully. There we go. And here you can see we have scrollable option, which is grayed out, and also share option. Now the reason the scrollable option is grayed out is because there's nothing really to scroll down on. But if you open up something like settings where you can scroll down, you could utilize that function, and this would allow you to capture a full screen screenshot from top to bottom of it. So it just kind of like elongate itself to fit all of the content that is visible from the very top to very bottom. Now, once you capture your screenshot, you can find it in the AI gallery as we have right here. It is located in the Google folder. And you might need to navigate to albums. And we will be looking for the screenshot album, in which you can see we have 2 different screenshots. So here's the first and second one, which I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.